Hello, I'm Mark Houlihan with Mustang Monthly Magazine and the Mustang360.com network. We're here today in Fort Worth, Texas with Painless Performance. We've got a bunch of wiring here on the workbench, and it's all going into our 1967 Mustang Fastback Week to Wicked project. We've got James McEwen here with us. He's a product specialist with Painless and going to give us a once-over to everything on the table here. Of course, we have our main harness. Why don't you give us a quick tour of that, and then tell us what else we got here that I'm going to be installing.
All right. Well, welcome to Painless. I'm glad to have you here. Yeah, the main kit that you're getting for your particular build is part number 20121, which is a 21 circuit kit that's included in the vehicle, basically headlight to tail light, and includes such things as a relay for an accessory add-on, 20 amp relay, so something like a GT fog lamp or something like that you might be able to power up, or something you want to add on
something
separately.
That was originally an option with a separate wiring harness from Ford back in the day.
Right.
So we'll get our wiring all secured and routed, and then we're going to cover it with this braiding here that you're providing us. Tell us a little bit more about this.
Yes, our classic braid kit, this is one for a whole chassis kit for a car, and it basically simplifies what it comes down as far as what you're going to run. You get your wire runs in place. You use this tool to actually install the harness inside of it, and then you can take the covering and run the braid over it.
I'm taking these home. After the build, they're coming home with me.
You can reuse them. I'm sure there'll be another project for you. You'll need them again. So, included in the kit also, forgot to mention on this, was we also provide the terminals and connectors and dielectric grease to help make your terminator connections.
Okay. Very important. Yeah.
Be solid, because you want to make that connection and just don't have to worry about any corrosion or any inhibition.
Yeah, or any thermal issues or anything like that.
Absolutely.
Battery cables. We are trunk mounting the battery in this car because of the Coyote engine install. The 5-liter Coyote is so wide and so big, we don't have room for the battery anymore. So putting the battery in the trunk, we need some nice heavy-duty cables to power the car from the back. Well, speaking of installation, I've got to get all this boxed back up and head back so we can get started on our project car, because as everyone has been watching our Week to Wickeds knows, we've got a week to build the car, and Friday night we got to do a nice big smoky burnout. So
keep
clock's ticking.
Well, good having you here. Appreciate it. Good to see you.
Same here. Take care.